guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. Okay guys, so first let's begin with today's video. If you like this face, then the description has the description has a link to the video on this makeup look. And if you like my hair, or if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video where I have shared my video on the hair care, so please do find that link as well in the description box. You can find it and you can check my hair care haul. So this is a part 2 of the haul. I'm going to share with you a huge skincare from Purple. This box contains complete skincare products and maybe 1 or 2 makeup products. I have not spent much on the makeup this time. I have only invested on good skincare products. And yes, Good Vibes had a very good offer in Purple where I quickly grabbed the offer. Smart, right? Thank you. इसके लिए एक like हो जाए. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share my skincare haul and the first product we have. I don't want to delay much, so let's begin with today's video. The first product I have is my ever favorite rose water, or the rose toner from Good Vibes. And this product has no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and it's cruelty free. This is a very good thing about this product. It's completely free from alcohol, no chemicals. But one thing I have to tell you guys is it comes in brown color bottle. It has a very luxurious look, I must say, but the only thing I have to think a lot about is that it has color added in it, really. But why the color? Maybe it gives us to give that instant pink glow. That could be one of the reasons. But still, I think Good Vibes has to reconsider adding color to their products. It's okay if we don't get instant color on our face. It's fine if it is not an instant glow, but until and unless it does its work, correct? That's what I would like in my products. Please comment and let me know if you too feel the same. Okay guys, let's carry on with the products further. The next product I have here is again rose and again toner. It is the Rose Hip Toner, and even this contains color. The previous bottle that I showed you guys, this was a 120 ml bottle, and this is a 200 ml bottle. I have bought this time, the most of the products that I have purchased are all of larger quantity. Again toner, again Good Vibes, again color, but this is a pomegranate toner. I have heard a lot about pomegranate toners, and I have also heard that pomegranate has anti-aging properties. So I thought, why not let me give it a try as well, because I'm never ever happy of having enough of toners. I love toners, especially now that I have been working from home, no going to office, so no makeup. Always take care of your skin, so always I keep applying toners so that my why am I stammering? Okay, so my face feels really fresh and nice. So that's the reason I always have this thing for toners. I am never having enough of toners. Additional to this, I also have started preparing rose toners at home, and because my daughter feels that even she needs to do what her mom does, even she follows me. So that's the reason, instead of giving her toners from outside, I have created a toner at home so that she can use it as well. So without that's anyways a lot to talk about. The next product that I have is this hand cream. The last time guys I had lost it with the hand creams with Good Vibes. Well, work wise I don't have any complaints about it. Maybe it was my choice. Different people have different choices about the smells as well. so I don't completely say it was wrong from Good Vibes end. But the last time I bought the hand cream, I had bought it from in the variant of raspberry and peppermint, expecting that peppermint will give me a cooling sensation because I love peppermint. But this time guys, I bought it from Lotus and Sage. Hope the smell is something I have to check, because the formulation remains the same for almost all the products. Yes, I like the smell, so this time a positive buy, thankfully. It really works great on my hands guys, that's why I wanted to try a different variant with a different smell. So again, this is a restocking of my product, only the variant is different. The next product I have is this face wash. I have been using the raspberry and peppermint face wash from Good Vibes, and trust me guys, it's amazing. I have also been using the face moisturizer of raspberry and peppermint. Maybe I could do a video with these products, right? I mean the skincare routine with only raspberry and peppermint. Yes, I could try that. Anyways, now that I liked it, I want to try something else as well. So this is the Mulberry lightning face wash. It's nice color, pinkish color, if you can see. It's very nice, and even the raspberry and peppermint is of the same color. I have been seeing a lot of people talking about foaming face washes, and I never owned any foaming face wash. So I thought even I need to own a foaming face wash, so that's why I have bought this. This is the pomegranate foaming face wash from Good Vibes again. So I should try this. I will try and let you know. Even this has no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils, with color. But yeah, color in this does matter because it should look presentable whenever you see it. So that's, I don't say it's bad, but whenever it's not something that you get to see, I don't think it has any much importance in that product. Now guys, this is something I fell in love with when I saw it for the first time itself, but I was waiting to buy it from a long time. I don't know why. This is the body lotion from Good Vibes in the flavor vanilla, and this retails for just 195 rupees. And guys, trust me, this smells so super amazing. I mean, I want to eat it. You know, you feel like that ice cream smell, vanilla ice cream smell, that you just want to eat it the moment you smell it. Oh god. After this video, I'm going outside and I'm having a lot of vanilla ice cream because of this. Okay. So the next product guys is the face pack from Vyam or Vyam, I'm not sure. In my previous video also I had a hair pack. In this I'm having a skin purifying pack, face pack from Vyam, I don't know. This is from the variant Amba Haldi. If you guys know, Amba Haldi is a very good face product. It gives you a lot, it purifies your skin, it gives you a lot of glow and all that. So yes, it's a very good thing. I will use it, I will share a review with you guys. I will share my videos on skincare when I can add it in my skincare. And by that I remember guys, last haul I have bought Garnier face mask. I have not used it yet. I told you, I promised you guys I will be using it. So you can expect a video on that as well very soon. So the next thing, I have heard a lot about this product as well. Recently I have started making all these makeup videos, and my last face makeup remover was from Steakworky. So I had bought it just like that. I didn't have any particular reason. I just thought, why not let me try this Bi-Face makeup remover from Steakworky. But this time I saw so many of the, let me tell you first thing, one thing, that I am crazy about haul videos. I like watching them, I like making them. So that is the reason I keep watching and seeing a lot of haul videos, and literally in every haul video one particular thing that I see is this. This is a Garnier Micellar cleansing water of it has 400 ml, and yes, I definitely got it for some discount on Purple, and as claimed it doesn't have any smell. I have heard that it cleans your makeup really well, and it also hydrates your face. So yes, I have to try it, and I will definitely share a review with you guys as in how it is. The next product I have is this NY Base Skin Serum with vitamin C and vitamin B3. Not skin serum, I'm sorry, face serum. So it's called the Glowing as Broadway Queen. It will be having a dropper and a small bottle of serum inside, and it's really good for glowing, and it also has anti-aging properties is what I've heard. So yes, I'll be using it and I will share a review with you guys. Okay guys, now this is one of the products. Again, it's a new launch from Good Vibes. They have got a range called Good Vibes Plus, and this is a night cream, pomegranate and jasmine. Actually, I have opened this package because I'm a great fan of jasmine smell as well. I love smells guys, particular smells like rose, jasmine, all these vanilla are the smells I love. So I had opened it, but unfortunately guys, it's a glass packaging, really classy like all of their packages. Even this is a glass package and it's really classy. But the only problem was the product had come out. I'm not sure how. I was scared the glass might have been broken, but glass was not broken, but everything had come out. So I don't know why. If Good Vibes, if you're watching this, or Purple, if you're watching this, please look into this as well. The next product I have, let me check before I see. No. Yes. Before I start with makeup, I want to finish off with the skincare. So the next product I have guys is the Al's Goodness sunscreen face cream. It is with SPF 50. This is a papaya, in the papaya variant. So you get a quantity of 29 grams and the price is 165. I'm sure I got a discount. I'm not sure what exact price. I guess I got it somewhere around 120 or 130. And yes, Al's Goodness has always been another brand. It's really very thick. If you could see, the cream is very thick and it's very easy to apply, and it smells really good. It's amazing, and the packaging also is very cute guys. Look at this. So yes, it's a transparent bottle and very nice packaging. The next product I have here is one more face cream, and this is also from Good Vibes. It is called the Argan Fine Line Minimizing Face Cream. If you have watched my old videos, I have told you I have got very fine lines on my face and I'm working on it because I'm 28 guys. Okay. So this is the same way I told it in my previous video also, that I'm 28. So yes, the next product I have with me is a coconut brightening face cream. Now guys, I just wanted this product because I am never running out of face cream. It smells so good like coconut. It's really nice, and I got it at a discount as well. This is packaging with 200 grams of the product. So yes, this is the next product that I have. And oh guys, I'm so sorry. Actually, I was just shooting this video and my phone got switched off. I'm so sorry about that. I have my phone on charging and I'm recording this video. So the next product that I have for you guys that I have purchased is from the Wadi Herbals. It's the under eye cream. So guys, if you could see this is such a cute, this is such a cute packaging. Look at that. Can you see? I mean, it lightens dark skin under the eyes. I don't have dark circles problem. Prevents and fades fine lines. Yes, I have that problem. Reduces puffiness. Sometimes I oversleep and so I have puffiness. And nourishes and smoothens delicate skin. So yes, this is one of those products. I will try and let you know how well it is. The last product from skincare, which I have gifted it to my daughter, is this tiny mini Chotu package I got free for ordering products from Good Vibes. This is the Good Vibes Papaya Face Wash. My daughter wanted to use it, so I have given it to her. She is going to use it. But guys, trust me, this smells amazing. It's awesome. The smell is awesome. Maybe next time I'm someone who will order this papaya face wash, because I can have never enough of face wash, toners, face creams, and something that smells good. Yes, I am like, I get very impressed when something really smells nice. I'm crazy on that. The next product I have, guys, is the concealer from Blue Heaven, which is super inexpensive. It is super like, it's a drugstore product, you could say. It's not at all expensive. You get the 30 gram of products for 150 rupees, which is amazing, and it has a very good coverage as well. Look at that. And I guess it blends well. Yes, it blends really well, guys. Look at that. It's very nice, but I don't think it gives a full coverage. But just like I told you just now, I don't have dark circles problem or something like that, which makes it I don't need a high coverage foundation as not foundation, I'm so sorry. I don't need a high coverage concealer as well. Okay guys, so the next product that I have with me is from Blue Heaven again. If you guys know me, I'm more into products that are of into the you know, towards the economical side. I don't go for expensive products. So this is something I have been wanting to buy from a very long time. It has a very good smell, guys. So Blue Heaven makeup translucent powder. So yes, this is my next purchase. And the next, if you have watched my previous videos, previous makeup video, you will find the link in the description if you haven't. So yes, in that I have mentioned that I don't have a eyelash curler. So yes, I purchased a eyelash curler. This is again from Purple, and it was priced at, I guess, around 150 rupees or something. The MRP is 199. So yes, you also have this extra fix so that in case this goes off. And yes, let's try this. Yes guys, it's really very nice. Yes, it's very nice. It's a very good color. So that is my next purchase. And here comes my final purchase, which is this Bella cotton pant. You get 80 pieces in this package, and this is available for 129 rupees, which is a very good offer. So guys, it's a very sad part for me that my haul has ended. You know, whenever I watch videos also, I feel that this video should never end. It should go on and on and on. That's why whenever I start watching haul videos, I go up to like anybody's and everybody's videos I watch, and I usually go back until like 2 years old videos, 3 years old videos. I don't know, I just keep watching and watching, and so it is when I make my videos. I just want to go on and on and on, but unfortunately no, we are all tied up. Our budgets are not such that we can make videos for on and on and on. Yes guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon to be notified on all the videos that I upload. And please don't forget to like, share on this video, share it with your friends, family, colleague. Guys, sharing is free, subscribing is free. Only thing it will do is it will provide me with a little bit of encouragement to do such videos more and more. Guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.